we're going to do level C, and we are going to do lesson 10, odds and evens, okay? Now, the first thing that we're going to do, let's just do a little bit of counting by, can you count by tens for me? Start at 10.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Awesome. Okay, now fives.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Oh my gosh,
60,
you're so good.
65, 70, 75, 80.
Holy Hannah.
95, 100.
Good job. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to play a little tile game, okay? Now, what I want you to do is by twos, I want you to take those and make little groups of twos.
Like
Yep.
2, 4, 6,
Yep.
8.
Or wait, actually, like, just make a bunch of little groups of twos, and then we'll see if we have even number of tiles in that pile, or if we have an odd number of tiles, okay? And you can have different colors, whatever you like. This is your choice. Awesome. Okay, so now, do you have an even number of tiles, or did you have one left over?
Even.
Good job. Okay, now I'm going to take this. Okay, now do it again, and we'll see if you have even or odd again. Okay, what do you got?
Odd.
Good job. Okay, now we're going to do some adding for the tiles, okay? Let's get these all over here. Now, 2 there, and 2 groups of 2 here. Now, if you add those two to these set of 2, do you have an even or an odd? You can move them right over there so you can see them all together. Put them right underneath this one. Yep, put these all over here and we'll get them all in one pile like this. Okay, now is that even or odd?
Even.
Okay, now if we do the same thing, we're going to add 2 odds. That's an odd, right? Okay, and then we'll do this. Is that an odd too? Right, because you have 2 and then 1, right? Is that an odd? Okay, now why don't you line them up over here and let's see if we have an odd number or an even number. Oops, let's line them up by 2s. Remember, we'll line them up by 2s. Okay, so you have these 2, and these 2, and these 2. Now do you have an even or an odd?
Even.
Right, so you had 2 odd numbers, and what happens when you put an odd number and an odd number together?
It equals an even number.
Good job. Okay, now let's try something different. Let's say you've got 2 even numbers over there, and you've got an odd number over here. Why don't you add those 2 together, and let's see if you get an even or an odd number. Yep, you can stack them all so they're kind of in a row, so they kind of look like this. Okay, is that an even or an odd?
Odd.
Very good. You rock. Very good. Do you have any questions, or does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
Okay, good job.